Life jacket on. Engine on and off we go.
Quack, 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 quack.
Thanks, Duck.
Rosie,
Yeah?
we're moving.
Where are we going to, Jim?
Don't know.
Jim, where's Tootle taking our boat?
Rosie, to look for a song.
Jim,
Yeah?
it doesn't sound like a song.
Rosie!
Yeah?
Rosie, he hasn't made a song up yet.
What, Duck?
Rosie! Oh, it's a windy day, Rosie!
Sausages and strawberries make a nice pie. Smelly socks and jam makes a nice sandwich. La-di-di-da-da-da. Chocolate spread. Bum-ba-dum-ba-da-da-da-da-da-da-dum-ba-ba-dee-dee. Chocolate sauce and apple flavor. Oh! Jim! Jim, quick!
What, Rosie?
Could you close that window for me? Because it's blowing everything and it's ruining my picture.
Oh, no. Is it the naughty old wind,
Yeah,
Rosie?
Jim. Stop that wind from
Yeah.
coming in. Yeah. La da da dee 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 dee. Ba-dum ba da da dee dee. Oh no! Everything's blown away, Jim.
Yes, Rosie?
Did you close that window?
Yes.
Well, where's the wind coming from then?
Oh, no, not the naughty old wind again,
Was
Rosie.
it you, Jim?
Me? No, Rosie. Must have been the naughty old wind in it, Rosie.
Oh dear. Ugh. Oh dear. Da-dee-da-da. Right. Smelly socks that need a wash. Jim!
Oh, Rosie. Sorry, Rosie. Wasn't me. It was the, naughty old wind.
Oh, my hat!
What, Duck? Oh, Jim! Tootle's hat's blown away! Oh, no! Oh, come on!
Come back, hat!
Come back! Come back, hat!
Whoa! My hat! My hat!
Tootle's hat! Tootle's hat!
Jim, where's it gone?
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. Oh, no!
My hat! My hat! My hat! My hat! My hat!
Oh, dear.
Oh, stop it, naughty wind! Come on, Jim, let's catch Tootle's hat!
What? Oh.
Come back here, you naughty rat! Stop, wind! Jim, I can't get you! Oh dear, I can't.
Is it Rosie?
I can't reach you, Jim! Stop, you naughty wind! Tootle's hat! Tootle's hat!
Where's the hat gone,
I
Rosie?
don't know. Jim, it's on Duck's head.
Rosie!
Oh, no.
How did Tootle's hat get on Duck's
I
head?
don't know. Come on, Jim. Tootle!
My hat! Duck, how did you get my hat? Thank you very much. It's nice to have my hat back. That's given me a good idea for a song. I'll just go and get my concertina.
It's here, Tootle!
There's my concertina. A field of grass moves just like the sea, and the trees seem to bow, and the birds fly high. But it's only the wind caressing his friends as he runs his fingers through your hair. Do-do-do-do-do. And a field of grass moves just like the sea, and the trees seem to bow, and the birds fly high. But it's only the wind caressing his friends as he runs his fingers through your hair.
Rosie, listen. It's only the wind running his fingers through my hair. Rosie, get off my hair.
Yeah, but Jim, I'm being the wind and running my fingers through your hair.
You're not the wind, Rosie.
I am Noggin. Look.
Oh, 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 oh.
Oh, Jim. Tootle.